Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo! Let me know if anything comes up and you need my help.
I will. Take care, Polly.
Puppy, if the press find you, they will be like many, many bugs on you.
Paparazzi.
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Where he's going?
But I changed the direction of my life when I started these critters racing, skipping. Vader didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
¿Te gusta nuestra...?
If you're implying that I switched out that rot good excuse for...
Responding. Where's Vader? Right? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for me.
On my way.
Gentlemen, Sheriff.
Hey, Sheriff.
Hey, I mean, you know where we are. Tell your friends.
Named Lightning McQueen had other plans. The Dynaco 400 ended in a three-way tie, set...
Lightning McQueen! Good job! Thank you so much for having us, Sir Axelrod.
Where'd all your friends go?
Final check of his tires.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the shape. K-I-S-S.
Persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will... Pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's a ball game.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were...
That Francesco is wonderful.
And those open wheels.
Hey, drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man! Now I got...
Hey, yo, DJ!
Disguise program initiated.
Cool. Hey, come in. Find me a German truck.